Hello my dear children. Today we are going to discuss the new topic functions. So far we discussed what? We discussed about the bare bones of a function or a program. In that what we have discussed? Statements, expressions, commands. This is the fourth bare bone, that is nothing but functions. Function is known as a named part of a program that can be invoked from any other parts. Dear children, look at the example given in the red color. Here I used def. What is def here? It is an abbreviation of definition. Also, it is a keyword. Draw line is nothing but a function name. So what I used here, I tried to print a line, draw line, from which statement the main program starts, print welcome to Python. Actually, def draw line is a function header, print is the function body. My dear children, how we can identify a header? It should have a colon as a terminator. So, in this particular example, def draw line bracket and a colon represents a function definition's header. Similarly, where the main program starts, it starts from the statement printf. Printf welcome to Python. Draw line of. That means we are calling the defined function. Actually, it is a user defined function. It is called by us, that is the programmer, to draw a line. Print designed by class 11. Again we are calling that function. My dear children, a function is a block of code that has name and can be reused by specifying its name in a program where needed, that is created with the def keyword. The functions in Python is mainly focused on modularity, that we already discussed in decomposition and all. So the functions include modularity. My dear children, look at the next part of a program. Nothing but the block and indentation. Group of statement is known as block. One or more statements are known as block, like functions. It may be a condition, it may be a loop, it may be a branching statement, whatever it is. Look at the example given, def area. Here I am going to calculate the area of a rectangle. Def means what? It is used for declaring a function. What is the function name I used here? Area of. What is the function body here? Or what is the function block? There are three statements, that is a equal to 10, b equal to 5 and c equal to a into b. These three statements are considered to be the body or block of a function. How we can analyze it, or how we can realize it, or how we can recognize whether it is a block or a sequential statement? Nothing but we can easily observe the indentation, the spacing. Look at the def area, and within that only I had included a equal to 10, b equal to 5, c equal to a plus b. Sorry, a into b. So there is a slight differentiation between the spacing between def and area, isn't it? So that the spacing or the extra space before writing any statement is called indentation. So which are all the statements having the same indentation, having the same arrangement? That is called a block. Here a equal to 10, b equal to 5, c equal to a plus a into b is considered to be in the same order or in the same arrangement, or we can say it as in same indentation. So my dear children, that is considered to be a block. Generally, 4 space together marks the next indent level. So we can give us 4 spaces. While clicking the space bar 4 times, we will get 4 spaces, isn't it? Similarly, if we want to make any block or any group of statements, we need to specify the indentation in a proper way. Or if we want to make a block of statements in a particular header. So what is the header here? Def area of. Under that we need a block. So what we have to do? We need to leave some space before the statement. Before the statement of the first statement of a block. Isn't it? So A equal to 10, B equal to 5, C equal to A into B having the same indentation. That is, before starting the statement, we are having extra space. That is called the indentation. My dear children, I think you are all clear about what is function and what is block and what is indentation. We will study more about all these things in the upcoming programmings. Thank you.